Now, as per question 9, but the function defined by f at x is equal to x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 2 is sketched below. P is the point to minus 1, and R, E are the turning point of f. So, kanjalo no P no R ba turning point. So, bagnikeza only elika P. Now, but to show that if you look at A lingana no 1, if you look at B lingana no minus 1. Now, in this case, tata equation lega f at x into God. So, I'll just write la. So, that's 9.1 solution. Tata equation ga f at x is equal to x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 2. When the substitution coordinates liga P lelo nikezwe lona and see ukuthi usala noba y o minus 1 la khona khona x ngifaka minus 1 all cubed plus a into minus 1 all squared plus b into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 zobo minus 1 cubed minus 1 minus 1 squared 1 times a minus 1 times b minus b, we say minus 2. Now minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So to negative 3 on the right, we let left to go positive 3 minus 1 negative 2 elingana no a minus b. Then I will say equation yami yokuqala engayo. Again, sibuye sizokwenza lokho okunye kwesibili. Ngithathe yona futhi equation lega f at x is equal to x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 2. Banginike point again lega p, but le point lega p again li turning point. What do I know about the turning point? Ngazi ukuthi i-equation mele ngithole first derivative, and the first derivative is gradient. Ilaphi gradient engizoyenza ibilingane nobani no 0. Now angwenze lokho. I'll find the first derivative ka f with respect to x. It's 3x squared plus 2ax plus b. Bese yonke lento ngilinganisa nobani no 0. But I know ukuthi luba i-x coordinate lapho i-gradient ilingana no 0 khona. Lolo x coordinate minus 1. So la khona khona x ngizofaka negative 1. So ngizoba no 3 into negative 1 all squared plus 2a into negative 1 plus b konke kulingana no 0. Negative 1 squared will give me positive 1 times 3 or 3 or positive. Kuthatha ngakwa left ngulethe ngakwa right, then I will have negative 3. 2 times negative 1 negative 2a plus b is equal to negative 3. Okay, so we'll say the equation yam lenga isingaki yesibili. Now I can even use the elimination method la. Excuse me, I can say equation 1, or let me write ngapha. I can say equation 1 plus equation 2 ukuze b no minus b bezo eliminate. So I'm going to get log u2 plus negative 3 should kuyafana ukuthi 2 minus 3 phomo minus 1. Na equation yokuqala futhi u1 minus 2 unginikeza minus 1 should no minus a minus b plus b unginikeza 0. So mangidivide ngo negative 1 la, I will get a1 positive 1. But as versus to a 1 sengiqedile. I can do a substitution back ku equation yokuqala where a elingana noba no 1. So sengizoba no 2 is equals to 1 minus b, then therefore b wami uzoboba thatha 1 kulethe ngapha ngizoba no 2 minus 1 phuma 1 divided by negative 1 phuma minus 1, b wami so negative 1. So yona ndlela ozokwenza ngayo lokuveza u a no b ukuthi u1 a u b wakho u minus 1. then you get all your 6 marks. Question elandelayo ithi, hence or otherwise determine the x coordinates of R. To find the x coordinates of R, when into kumele uyenze usuyayazi i-equation now. Your first derivative la phezulu. And uyamazi a wakho uba, uyamazi b wakho uba. Do substitution. Asenzeni ke. This is 9.2. Now equation your first derivative. La khona u-a ngifaka bani mina u1. 2 times 1 u2. Should be 2x. La khona u-b ngifaka u-minus 1. Should be minus 1 equals to 0. Now this can be factorized as we know i-value yokuqala u-x uyingana no minus 1 should u-x plus 1. Futhi le enye kumele ibe no 3x minus 1. Okay. Ngizobhala kahle x wami, so I've got 3x minus 1. So ilapho it's either u-x ulingana no minus 1 or u-x ulingana no 1 over 3. Remember, but hence or otherwise determine the x coordinates of R. Then therefore, the x coordinates lika R lubani lu 1 over 3 because leli linye elika p which is minus 1. So qedile uthola wonke u3 marks wakhe. Question elandela yokugcina ithi, write down the coordinates of a turning point of H if H is defined by h at x elingana no 2 times f at x minus 4. So in other words, times ngo 2 basebenza njani manje? Basubtract go minus 4. Bafuna sibhala ama coordinates anlana a turning point. Now remember this. If we go times this f at x, we always say we value ka y. So f at x y. Futhi lento baqonda ukuthi lapho h at x is equals to 2 times y minus 4. Y athina ama coordinates up here for now athi minus 1 no minus 1. So la khona y mina nangu y ngitimes ngo 2 bese ngisubtract ngo minus 4. Iyona into ekumele siyenze leyo ayikho. So this will be minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Lo minus 1 lo ngizo times ngobani manje ngo 2. Futhi kumele ngiqale ngo times ngo 2 lo minus 1 oy bese ngisubtract ngoba ngo 4. Then I will have ama coordinates a turning point yami enje. U-x minus 1 njengoba enjalo. U2 times negative 1 negative 2 minus 4 will give me negative 6. So ama coordinates a turning point enja minus 1 no minus 6. Uthola wonke u2 marks wakho nje ubunjalo bese usuyaqeda.